Hi friends, this is Azgaruddin Ahmed, industry expert from 9th Sem. Today I will discuss type of pumps used in chill water system. Pumps for chill water system. As per our previous video, all of you know that basically two types of pumping loop are involved in chill water system. That is chill water circuit and condenser water circuit, which is applicable for water cooled chiller only. Now, as per attached diagram, you can see both circuit, that is chill water and condenser water circuit. The above both circuit are mainly connected with chiller. As you know that all pumps are used for pumping the fluid used in the specific system. In chill water system, used fluid is water. Now, chill water circuit. In chill water circuit, basically two type of pumping system involved. Number one, primary chill water system. Number two, secondary chill water system. In most of the cases, primary chill water pumps are fixed speed type. That means motor rotates at fixed speed. No VFD, that is variable frequency drive, is used in motor starter panel, because variable primary chill water system balancing is more complicated than fixed speed type. Primary chill water pump suction is connected with return chill water line of HUs, FCUs, and discharge line is connected with chiller. Now, primary pumping system. Please see the primary chill water piping layout. Here, primary chill water piping system involved with expansion tank, air separator tank, decoupler line, primary pump, and different type of valves and accessories. Now, expansion tank and air separator. The purpose of use of expansion tank in chill water system is: first, expansion tank are required in a closed loop heating or chill water HVAC system to absorb the expanding fluid and limit the pressure within a heating or cooling system. The expansion tank uses compressed air to maintain system pressure by accepting and expelling the changing volume of water as it heats and cools. Air separator basically eliminate air quickly and efficiently from closed loop of heating and cooling system. Now, secondary pumping system. Basically, secondary pumping system is VFD type, as cooling load is varying in throughout the working period. The motor of the pump is rotating with variable speed depending on required cooling load. The secondary chill water pump suction is connected with chiller discharge line, and pump discharge line is connected with HUs and FCUs chill water supply line. Logic Control Panel VFD is used in secondary pumping system for working. Now, condenser water pump. Condenser water pumps use only water-cooled chiller water system. Condenser water pump is used for circulating condenser water between condenser cell of chiller and cooling tower. The uses of different types of pump are: first, centrifugal pump, and centrifugal pump is subdivided in three categories, that is inline pump, end suction pump, split casing pump. Now, number 2, rotating pump or rotary pump, and number 3, reciprocating pump. Thanks for watching.